Hello, 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 and welcome back to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen. Today I'm making one of my favorites. I know everything's my favorite, but this one really is. It's also Marley's favorite. So we're making sliced roasted potatoes, oven roasted. The entire family is gonna love it. And guess what? It's quick and easy. So we have Chef Matthew with us and he's slicing away. So let's get to cooking. And that's it. So my food loving friends, try this. It's so easy. It's so delicious. Do me a favor, add some ketchup, mayo, and sriracha together, and you'll be in heaven. So, subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, bye.